Hi. Where's your friend? Where's the little white one? Yeah, you're adorable, but where's your friend? Oh, you want to play, huh? I think I hear her. There she is up in the tree. Come on, girl. Come here. She's coming. Your friend's coming. You gonna be nice to her? Oh, you still wanna. You love you. Come here. Let's see if she hears the food. There she comes. There you are. Come on. Aww. Look at you. Come here. Here's the food. Hi. Yes, aren't you adorable? Yes. Oh, that's my girl. Oh. That's such a good girl. Oh. You want to play too? Okay. Look at your pretty tail. You want to go inside, huh? There you go. Have a bite. You be nice. She's your friend. Look at you. You are adorable, huh? There we go. That's a good girl. Good striping, pretty tail, and a gorgeous face. Okay. You guys eat. I have to send this off.